this is what it do, and it's cute. Hi loves, I wanted to welcome you back to my channel. It's your girl Lee, I know Lee, and if you haven't, make sure that you go ahead and hit that subscribe button for weekly uploads every Thursday and Saturday. Now in this video, we're going to get straight into it because I'm going to be showing you guys how to do rope twists on natural hair. If you don't know what rope twists are, I think the best way to explain them is kind of like finger coils and 2-strand twists had a baby. It's a cocktail and a mixture of both of those methods, and what it basically does is it gives you a twist out that is more defined but yet still elongated, so you don't have like that shrunken first day hair. I hope that's a good way of explaining it so that you thoroughly understand it. But if you're looking for a twist out method that's going to give you elongated hair on the first day but that is still defined, rope twists might just be for you, and trust me, they are not difficult at all. So we're going to get into this rope twist out. To begin the rope twist process, start off with a medium section of hair that is detangled and you've already applied the product. What you're going to do is split the section into 2 equal parts. Start off as a regular twist, and as you move down, you're going to wrap each section around your finger and then 2-strand twist it. So you're basically incorporating a finger coil and a 2-strand twist together. And once you get to the ends of the hair, maybe about 1 inch or so, you're just going to do a regular 2-strand twist and wrap the very ends of your hair around your finger to create that coil at the bottom. Once you release it, you will notice an elongated twist that pretty much replicates a rope. So I'm going to show you guys one more time. Start off with a regular 2-strand twist. Twist each section around your finger before you actually go into the 2-strand twisting process. So you're doing a finger coil, twist, finger coil, twist, finger coil, twist, and repeat that process all the way down till you get to the ends, and then you're just going to wrap it around your finger. I did let my hair dry overnight, and I had maybe about 20 rope twists throughout my entire head, and I'm going to take this out the very next morning, and as you can see, my twists are still quite elongated, and I'm going to show you that when you take these down, they're going to create the most beautiful definition. So you can kind of see that rope pattern, hence why they are called rope twists. So pull them apart and you have perfect spiral curls. So we're just going to go through the process of taking all of these twists down. Once you've taken all of the twists down once, what I did was basically start at the root of the twist and separate it into about 4 to 5 sections to add that volume but to prevent frizz. And then of course, I'm going to go in with my handy dandy pick and we're going to lift these roots to add some volume. Do not pull the pick all the way through. You only maybe want to go about halfway. It's not going to disturb the curl pattern too much, so don't worry about that. All you're doing is lifting at the roots. And this is optional, but I love to do this to create volume and just to get rid of those parts or those sections where the hair seems a bit sparse. Now I'm going to go in and add some edge control and just basically jazz up my look, and this is it. Super easy, defined twist on the very first day, and you can do larger sections so it actually doesn't take as long. I love rope twists. They might even have to replace my normal twist outs. So loves, I wanted to thank you guys for watching. Once again, make sure that you subscribe. I love you guys. Tell me if there are any other natural hair methods that you want to see, such as like being 2 knots, 3-strand twist, maybe even curl formers. Let me know down below any other methods that you want to see in a video or tutorial that's pretty detailed and in-depth, that will actually teach you how to do these things so that you can just have flawless hair on a daily basis. Leave it in the comments below. I love you guys, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.